Standing at the bottom of a shaky ladder with a handsaw is a special kind of stress that most of us would like to avoid. You look up at that one stubborn branch hanging over the roof and realize that the risk might not be worth the reward. This is exactly where the appeal of a two-in-one cordless pole saw starts to make sense. It promises a way to keep your feet firmly on the ground while still reaching those higher problem areas. You get this handheld mini chainsaw that feels nimble in your grip, perfect for breaking down smaller branches that have already hit the grass. Then, with a few clicks and a secure lock, it transforms into a long-reach tool that extends your capability by several feet. It is a clever design for anyone who does not want to store 5 different power tools in their garage. The first thing you notice when you pick it up is the weight. In handheld mode, it is incredibly light and easy to maneuver. This makes it a fantastic entry point for people who might be intimidated by a massive gas-powered beast. You can zip through yard debris and clear out overgrown bushes without your forearms burning. However, the experience shifts once you attach that extension pole. The balance changes immediately. Because the motor and the cutting head are at the very end of a long stick, it becomes a bit of a workout for your shoulders to keep it steady. You will find yourself fighting a bit of wobble as you try to line up your cut. It is a trade-off for the convenience of staying off a ladder. The build quality tells a clear story of its purpose. This is a budget-friendly tool through and through. It uses lightweight materials that are great for portability but might not survive being tossed around roughly. You have to treat it with a bit of care. When it comes to the actual cutting, keep your expectations realistic. This is designed for light to medium work. If you try to dive into a thick piece of seasoned hardwood, you're going to feel that mortars start to struggle. It is much better suited for softwoods and thinner limbs that just need a quick trim. Maintenance is also vital. You cannot just pull this out of the box and start hacking away. You need to make sure that chain has plenty of oil. Running a small saw like this dry is a fast track to a ruined tool. The friction will heat up that metal and dull your edge quickly. You also need to keep a close eye on the tension. Chains on these smaller units tend to stretch, so keeping it snug is a must. The assembly can be a bit of a puzzle at first because the manual is a little sparse on details. You might have to use some trial and error to get the guide bar seated and the locking mechanisms aligned. For the price, you are getting a lot of utility. It bridges that gap between manual pruning shears and a full-blown professional chainsaw. It is the kind of tool that makes a weekend of yard work feel a lot less like a chore. You can clear the ground, then reach the sky, all with the same battery pack. Just listen to the machine. If it sounds like it is working too hard, back off. It is a helpful companion for the average homeowner who wants a tidy yard without a massive investment. It is about working smarter and keeping your feet on the grass where they belong.